SAP feeding unit. The SAP will drop into the webware and connect combined with the fibers. And this one, the webware. In there, the SAP and the fibers will be combined and move to the transport roller. They will be just like be transferred by this way and then be pressed tightly. Be pressed tightly. And now I will show you the upper wrapping paper and the lower wrapping paper. As you can see, here is the lower wrapping paper to wrap the SAP with the block. Here, we usually use the tissue paper. And it also has the material storage and the controller here. And can you web controller? And maybe you will be confused. Where is the upper wrapping paper? If we can't see it on the machine because it is outside of the machine. This is the upper wrapping paper. It is also the tissue paper. This one we call it the 90-degree feeding unit. You will come to avoid the too large size of the machine. Our workers will set this one in out of the machine. You can see there. This is the upper wrapping paper. It is also the tissue paper. And usually the lower tissue paper will be larger than the upper tissue paper because it need to wrap fold this one. This is the lower tissue paper to fold. Then it must be larger than the upper tissue paper, and this one is the glue spray unit. The glue will spray on the upper tissue paper so that it can combine the upper tissue paper and the color and as well as the lower tissue paper. And there you can see the lower tissue paper is folded like this. So it must be larger than the upper tissue paper. It will be folded in this part. And next, this is the press door. The coal will be pressed tightly in this unit. And this is the ADL feeding unit. This is the ADL feeding unit. It is optional. The customers can choose to add it or not. This product we didn't. It is also come outside of the machine. The 90-degree feeding unit in there. The ADL layer will be come inside the machine because This product, we don't use the ADL. This machine, this product, we didn't use the ADL, so we didn't put it. It is optional. And this one is the ADL cutter. The ADL will be cut. And this one, let's move on. This is the color cutter. The continuous color will be cut into pieces, and that is in this part the color will be down. This part be cut into pieces. Be cut into pieces. This is the color, as you can see. Just as the color has done, I will introduce the top sheet to you. Let's move on. Here we can see this is also one 90-degree feeding unit. This is the hydrophobic nonwoven to use for the leg depth. This one, and it comes outside of the machine. 90-degree feeding unit there. Just as I mentioned, the hydrophobic nonwoven is used as the leg depth to prevent leakage. There to prevent the leakage. Prevent the leakage. So there, you can see there, the hydrophobic nonwoven will be cut into two pieces, and as the two sides of the leg left, here we cut it, and you can see the spandex also. The spandex here, they will come and combine with the hydrophobic nonwoven. Here, the glue will spread on the hydrophobic nonwoven, and so that it can combine with the spandex. You see it? It will be fold. So that the spandex will be folded by the hydrophobic nonwoven layer. And there is the edge cut. It is also come outside of the machine. The 90-degree feeding unit, it will come inside there. You can see it come inside the machine.